Happy 70th birthday, Mama Candy. They say it takes 70 years to collect this much grace, wisdom, and love. Today, we aren't just celebrating a number. We are celebrating the woman who made us who we are. Mom, you've spent 7 decades making the world brighter now. It's our turn to shine a light on you. Happy 70th birthday, Mama Candy. I love you. Mama Candy. There are people wants to greet you.
Mama Candy, I miss you. I love you. Birthday Mama Candy, mag-ingat ka palagi. I love you, I miss you. Candy, I miss you, I love you. Mag-ingat ka palagi.
Birthday ma, medyo nga awas permi kamay panguntang abukang birthday maagigin mo. Salamat din gabo, happy birthday. Ingat ka muna.
Happy birthday Mama Candy. Sana healthy lang ikaw lagi. Maging malibayon permi. I love you. Ingat ka mo.
Happy birthday, Mama Candy. We love you.
Great mo si Tita.
Kumusta na kayo lahat dyan? Happy birthday! Kapamilya, my dear sister Sandy. Hope you have more birthdays to come.
Happy 70th birthday. Wala na akong may hiling sa'yo. Dahil mahal na mahal ka ng mga anak mo at naibibigay nilang lahat ang pangangailangan mo. Wish ko lang sa'yo, good health, long life, at pray palagi kay God dahil doon tayo kumukuha ng lakas sa Kanya. Happy birthday ulit. I love you, Mama Chup Chup. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy 70th. Happy birthday to you. 17th birthday, more birthday to come. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Mama Candy, happy birthday! We love you! Sana!
Marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo.
Salamat po!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mama Candy.
Happy birthday, Lola Candy!
Mama Lola Candy na. Happy birthday, Gabi.
Happy birthday, Lola Candy!
Hello Mama Candy, happy birthday, happy 70th birthday, many more birthday to come.
Hello Mama Candy, happy birthday. Ilang taon na po kayo. Ingat po kayo palagi. Sana po bigyan pa kayo ng Panginoon ng maraming birthday. At ilayo sa anumang mga karamdaman, anumang mga sakit. We love you. God bless you. Happy birthday ulit Mama Candy.
Hello Ning. Musta? Happy birthday. Sana lagi tayong malakas palagi. Wish you all the best in your birthday. Musta sa inyong lahat dyan? Love you all.
Hello Nang Candy. Happy 70th birthday. Wish ko sa'yo lagi kang good health. Mag-ingat lagi. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Pa, happy birthday ma. Sana tawang nga pa ni Lord at mahabang buhay. Malayo sa sakit. Iwasan mo tanan lumang bawal kimo. Iya ako para kimo. Hanggat nakakaya ko pa mag-abroad. At sana makita mo pa yung apo kakon. Love you. Happy birthday, ma. Magdahan ka na, permi. Ingat. Love you.
Hi, konnichiwa. This is Tisay. Surprise! Happy 70th birthday to you po, Mami Candy. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come. God bless you po. Thanks for everything po. Tuwing uuwi kami dyan ni Angel sa Philippines ay lagi niyo po kaming ini-invite. More birthdays ko to come po sa inyo, Mami Candy. See you all again po. And thank you po sa lahat ng mga prayers kay Angel. Bye. We love you po. Bye po, Mami Candy. And wish you good health po always. Bye. Mwah. Love you, Mami Candy. Bye.
Happy birthday, sis. Thank you sa pagpalangka kamo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Kande. Thank you sa imong love kamon nga mga apo.
Happy birthday ng Kandi. Wish namon hay tawan ka bagid it magawig nga kabuhi ag abo-abo pagid nga birthday kay mo maging celebrar. Ag ro among whiskey mong bilang pamilya hay good health always. Thank you for all the blessings kay imong ginatao kamon. Ag we love you always. Happy birthday.
Mama Candy.
We love you, Mama Kande.
Happy 70th birthday, ma. More birthday to come. Good health lang po. Palagi. God bless you. Always. Salamat, ma. Sa tanan-tanan.
Happy 70th birthday. Mama, wish ko lang good health at bigyan ka pa ni Lord it long life na makasama ka namon. Agma, maraming salamat it pagtao mo kamon it manami nga pagpangabuhi. Agma, love na love kagid namon. God bless. Happy 70th birthday. Sana magiging happy ka ag mag-enjoy. Ag na-surprise ka gid ko imo nga ra nga birthday.
Sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Kande. I love you. God bless you. Thank you, Pa.
Happy birthday, Marori.
Hello.
Happy birthday, Barure.
Hi, Mama Candy. Happy birthday. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Kandi.
Happy birthday, Ante. Happy birthday, Nang Kande.
Happy birthday, Ante.
Wish you all the best in life.
Good health.
Long life.
Mama D, I love you. Happy birthday, Mama Candy. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
birthday mo raw.
Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagse-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Wish you celebrate your birthday in a nice, meaningful way, and I hope you have fun. God bless you.
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo.
God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more.
Birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lani Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.